Well, today is Wednesday, December the 11th, and as you can see, it is a bright sunny day. It's been cloudy, rainy for the last week, so this is a nice change. So the weather is really crisp. It's around, I guess, 45, 50 degrees, and the sky is crystal blue. And I'll show you on the walk that most of our trees are still green, and this is December 11th. Usually all the leaves are off of the trees by now, but we've had very little fall foliage. But on the way to the mailbox, Maizie and I always go to the mailbox right after lunch, get the mail, get some fresh air. She gets to get some exercise, and we finally have some pretty foliage around. So let's go take a walk to the mailbox.